Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good afternoon to all of you. In this video, I'm gonna share with you about my mistake. One of my elder brother, he told me, brother, your pronunciation is not good. You are making mistake every single day. For that, I have decided today I will speak clearly and slowly so that you can understand my English properly, as well as I will explain my mistake. As far as you know, I'm not fluent in English and I'm from countryside. Our mother tongue is Bengali. That's why when we speak in Bengali, we feel so good. When we speak in Bengali, we can describe anything in Bengali properly. Side by side, you know that English is not our mother tongue. It is a foreign language. That's why if I make mistakes every single day, it doesn't matter. If I make 100 mistakes in a day, and if I make 1,000 mistakes in a day, it doesn't matter. You know that English is not difficult for us. If we make mistakes every single day, it doesn't matter. By making mistakes, we can improve our pronunciation. By recording English video in front of our camera, we can correct our mistakes. It is so important and it is mandatory for us. I will explain. My pronunciation is not good. It doesn't matter. I know that by practicing English, by making mistakes, I can improve my pronunciation. As far as you know, I have been learning English last 2 years, and at present my pronunciation is not good. That's why I have decided right now I will correct my pronunciation so that you can understand English properly, as well as you can speak in English confidently like me. And you know that when I come in front of my camera, that time I speak so fast. That's why I make many mistakes in front of my camera. And I know that if I practice English every single day, I can correct my pronunciation, I can improve my English, I can improve my speaking skills. That's why I have to make mistakes every single day. If I don't make mistakes, I won't be able to improve my pronunciation. If I don't mistake every single day, I won't be able to improve my English journey. That's why I have to make mistakes anywhere. I have to make mistakes in front of my camera. I hope that by making mistakes, success will come definitely. And I will explain. When I was beginner, that time I made many mistakes in front of my camera. At present, I don't make many mistakes. I make few mistakes in front of my camera. I will be able to improve my pronunciation. That's why keep pray for me, as if I can improve my pronunciation.